In this video, we look at a few different ways to view formulas in Excel. After a formula is entered into a cell, the formula can be viewed from the cell by double-clicking on the cell. You may also select a cell and view the formula from the formula bar. An option to view all formulas in a sheet can be used. Use Ctrl+tilde and the cells that contain formulas will display. If you wish to show formulas and cells to display as text, you can type the single quote operator before the equals sign. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.